Hey y'all, just a friendly reminder, don't forget to clean those vents in the RV. This is what ours looks like. It's the typical RV unit. The grill comes off pretty easy with just a slight pull back and it pops right out, and the same for the filter. So most RVs comes with a washable air filter. Here I'm just using a little soap and water with a microfiber towel. I'm using a microfiber towel because it seems to grab the dust particles and wash off the screen a lot easier. If there's a lot of buildup on your filter, you can try soaking them in the soapy water for a few minutes. Give it a good rinse. And then do the same with the grill, a light washing with a little soap. And rinse. You see how dirty that towel is? That's only after a couple months. If you go out where there's a lot of wind blowing and dusty, then you may want to check it right after you're done camping. So while those are drying, give a good wipe down on the inside and the outside to remove any remaining dust. Once the filter is completely dry, place it back into the slots. Then do the same with the grill. And that's it. Thanks for watching.